Here's how to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or a call. Now, let's head into the settings here and scroll down. Right under General, we're going to tap on Accessibility. Now, from here, we need to scroll down and you'll be able to see under the hearing section is audio and visual. Let's tap on that. From here, we're going to scroll to the very bottom and you can see LED flash for alerts. I can tap on this and essentially this is when the flashlight kind of flashes whenever you get a call or text. You can turn this on and you can choose, do you want this while the phone is unlocked? And do you want it when the phone is on silent mode? And if you do, you can toggle those two on, or you can choose to turn those off. And now whenever you get a text or a phone call, essentially the flashlight on your camera will flash, indicating you're getting a call. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.